Kung napapansin niyo that there's this new feature sa Orange app. Di ko alam kung bakit bawal sabihin yung name of the app. Alam mo ba yun? Bawal sabihin sa TikTok. The Orange app and the Blue app. Kasi nga, baka naging competitor na kasi sila. Anyway, the Orange app specifically, as buyers, right now, there's this new feature that you can request for invoice. And this is very convenient for a specific segment of buyers. We are talking about mga corporate purchasing department buyers na parang mga big businesses na kapag umorder sa mga suppliers, kailangan talaga ng invoicing on their end, like proper invoicing. With the implementation of the BIR registration sa mga online sellers sa Shopee, right now, they can properly request for invoicing na. Yung sa app, I'll put it up na mag-input ka ng company name, TIN, and address for proper invoicing requirements.